Hello everyone, and welcome to Math Help with Miss McCarthy. This is the place that is powered by you, by teachers and parents who have math questions that are kind of stumping them and they're looking for some support. You send them my way and they can be featured in these episodes. That way we can all learn together. Today we have a 4th grade question. I'm super pumped and excited to get to that question. But before we do, I just want to thank you for hitting that like button, for sharing this content with somebody that you know could benefit from it, and subscribing to my channel. That way you're the first to know when I drop a new video. When you do 1, 2, or 3 of these things, it really does help me to continue to power this YouTube channel with free content. That way I can help as many people as possible, so thank you. All right, without further ado, let's get to today's question and let me teach you. Today's question is a 4th grade question provided by Brandon in Naples, Florida. Brandon, thank you so much. Let's go ahead and jump on in. So it says that Liam ran 1,764 meters. Liam ran that much. And Noah, a different person, ran 7,124 meters in a race. How many times greater is the value of the 7 in 7,124 and the 7 in 1,764? So how many times greater? Times. So we need to be thinking about multiplication and division. And sometimes students think that this is a subtraction problem because it looks like we're comparing the two values to find the difference, but we're actually finding how many times greater. So we have 2 people. We have Liam, who ran 1,764 meters. And then we have Noah, who ran 7,124 meters. And what we are doing is we are comparing. It says how many times greater is the value of the 7. So we need the 7 in this number and the 7 in this number. So we're comparing the digit 7. A digit is a single number from 0 to 9. I'm just going to throw in some place value names up here just so we can make sure we're all on the same page. So we have the ones, tens, hundreds, a comma splits the periods, 1,000s, or the thousands place there. The digit 7 in Liam's number has a value of 700. It's in the hundreds place. The digit 7 in Noah's number is in the thousands place, or the 1,000s place. So the digit 7 in Noah's number is actually in the place to the left, right? We're moving it into a greater place value, and it's only moving by 1 place. Every time we hop to a different place value, moving to the left anyway, where they're getting bigger, we are increasing 10 times. So how many times greater is the value of the 7 in 7,124? That 7 is 10 times greater. So the answer would be the 7 in 7,124 is 10 times greater than the 7 in 1,764. And this would be your answer. So in 4th grade, students need to be able to jump either going forward and increasing the place value or going backward and decreasing the place value. So if you're thinking, I would really love some more practice with this skill with place value when it comes to 4th grade, let me show you some videos that are inside both of those memberships. They're actually very similar. It's just the way that they're organized. The teacher membership is organized by benchmark, while the family membership is organized by unit. Okay, simple enough. So let me show you inside the members area. So inside the members area for place value, we have 1, 2, 3 lessons right here, okay? This is actually the teacher plan. So you're seeing inside the bronze section here. Parents, you have the same videos as, again, it's just organized by unit. So the first one is foundational skills with place values. You'll see a student guide right over here. And here's a peek into the video, so you can see that we are marking up all over these student guides to help really lock in these skills. Next, we have 10 times greater, which is something that we worked on. So you can see this is very similar to what we were just doing, so you get even more practice with problems like this. And then students also need to know how to go 10 times less, so there's a video that highlights that. So as you can see, the members area or the taking on the best memberships available for teachers and parents really provide additional support for 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade skills for every benchmark in Florida. So I really suggest that you take a look there. Brandon, thank you so much for taking the time to submit your question. I hope that you found this to be helpful along with everybody else watching here. And the next time that you have a math question that might be racking your brain a little bit, go to mccarthymathacademy.com/mathhelp. Once you're there, you'll be able to easily submit your question and it could be featured in an upcoming episode. So that's it for this episode of Math Help with Miss McCarthy. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you in an episode real soon.